When you open up Affinity Studio and it closes right away, that's a small bug happening to some users in the latest version. But don't worry, it's an easy fix. Before jumping into the folder, make sure you can see hidden files on your Windows PC. Just open this PC, click View on the top menu, then check the box that says Hidden Items. That'll make those hidden folders visible on Windows 10 or 11. Now all you got to do is head over to this folder on your PC, open your File Explorer, and follow this path. Users, then your username, then App Data, then Roaming, then Affinity, then Affinity. Yep, inside the Roaming folder, there's another Affinity folder. That's the one you want to delete. Don't worry about the other older software folders you might see in there. Leave those alone. Once you delete that extra Affinity folder, you're all set. You don't even need to reboot. Just fire the app back up and bam, it should launch perfectly fine this time. So yeah, that's the quick and easy fix for Affinity Studio crashing on startup. Hope this helped you out. If it did, go ahead and smash that like button. Drop a comment to let me know it worked. And of course, subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Catch you in the next one. Peace out and happy designing.